So guys, I'm doing IXL with Plory, but he's at California, so he's not gonna be back. Science G1, identify, pushes, and pull. I could copy and paste all of these. Let me just copy it. Then later I can paste it. Copy. That's the highlight. Copy alone. Copy. Copy? Okay, Control-C. So, I will just, so yeah, pull, but then that's like push or pull, that's pull. Oh, I keep on getting around. Pull. Yes. Push. Because they're putting it together. And then push. No, pull. That's push, of course. Push. Pull. Whoa, that looks so weird. So I would say push. Wait, pull? That's like an illusion. Which type of force? Push. Because you could just like pull. Push. Unplugs. So pull. Push. Okay. So that's push. Guys, let's be done for now. Bye!